Welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can fix the problem. Problem is that friend request is not showing up on your Snapchat. So you want to fix that problem, so you have to follow some steps to fix that issue. So simply go back to your settings of your Android. Just tap on the settings, and simply you have to make sure that you have Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. And simply tap on the Wi-Fi and just simply connect with your Wi-Fi just like that, and just find the Wi-Fi and just connect with your Wi-Fi. So wait for a second for the connection. After that, just simply go back and find Snapchat in your settings. If you find the app, just click it. If you didn't find, just go search bar and just search a snap, just like that, just like that. And it's taking a little bit time, just like that. Snapchat, just tap on it. There is some settings, and also we select storage. Just tap on storage and just want to clear the cache from here. Just tap on the cache and also clear the cache from here. Just go back and simply go to Snapchat. So simply go to the Snapchat. Just tap on the Snapchat and just simply go to back and just go to the settings of your phone. Just tap on the settings. Just like that. You didn't find, just go to profile and just go to settings. And just scroll down and just find cache. Just find it and just clear the cache. Just have a clear cache and just clear the cache from here. So that's the setting. You have to make sure to do that before accepting any friend request. So after the settings, you're gonna problem gonna solve. And again, if you don't problem gonna solve, then again go back and simply go to Play Store and again install it after delete it. Just like that, just tap on it and uninstall it and again install it from a Play Store. So your problem gonna fix. So that's this video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.